What's up, Future Sun Devils? Today we're at Dreamscape. ASU has introduced a whole new way of learning for students through Dreamscape Learn. It's a super cool immersive reality lab experience that's being used in courses like biology and chemistry. It's a total immersive experience where you're transported to virtual worlds and have to solve problems using concepts you're learning in class. So we're gonna get some interviews of before and after and give you all the reaction of how the experience went for these guys.
I'm really excited for this, but I honestly don't know what to expect.
Any lab that I've taken was you had to wear lab clothes and proper shoes, but this lab is a dry lab, so basically computer, so it's way different and it's way bigger.
It was super cool, honestly. I felt very immersed in the experience, like I was in it, even though it was a fictional world.
I thought it was really cool. I felt fully immersed in the world. As soon as I put the headset on, it was like I was actually on a different planet.
My favorite part was definitely flying the copter through the jungle.
There was wind blowing at me, and I could feel the helicopter I was in moving. I could feel everyone else around me too.
It's really fun. It's really cool to be in that world and feel like you're a scientist firsthand.
It puts you into the shoes of a scientist rather than you learning about what it means to be a scientist and what scientists do.
The experience was incredible, the hands-on learning opportunity. It's very eye-opening at what is possible nowadays.
It's nothing I've ever seen before, so I'm really happy that ASU has this and integrated this into the science courses. You go in there and you gather data about these endangered species or struggling species, and then you apply it to data tables that you learn about in lab.
The ambiance of the environment was just, it was just super cool.
Very easy to sit here and gain information and make it the information better to obtain.
So that's pretty much it, Future Sun Devils. And if you take chemistry or biology in your first year, you're gonna have to come to Dreamscape to experience this whole interactive VR and learn so much with this immersive technology that ASU provides. That's it for this video, guys. And make sure you subscribe and follow our channel for any future updates about ASU. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys. Bye-bye.